I've been known to make pretty good pancakes, but what better way to top them off than homegrown, fresh-picked, organic blueberry compote? Sound good? Well, we better get picking. This is about it. This is the last hurrah here. For those of you who grow a lot of blueberry bushes, this probably doesn't seem like very much, but this one harvest is the most blueberries I've ever had. I've been growing blueberries for the birds, and this year I decided to cover my bushes with red boil, and it made all the difference. You can get red boil at the fabric store. A lot of people ask me about this. I use red because I like red, but it comes in different colors, and it'll last you about 2 years. And get the whitest selvage. If you sow, you know what a selvage is. Two cups of fresh blueberries, freshly washed. The zest of 1 lemon. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of organic coconut sugar, which has a lower glycemic index. This recipe couldn't be simpler. 2 cups of fresh blueberries, freshly washed, lemon zest, a pinch of salt. This is 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar and 2 tablespoons of the fresh lemon juice. We're going to add all of our ingredients. Looks like a little green one there. Leave it in. Sugar, lemon zest, salt, and fresh lemon. You're going to cook this over medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Now what you can do is you can take the fruit out after about 5 or 6 minutes and continue to cook the liquid to make it a little thicker. So you preserve some of the profile of the berries. It's thickened up a little bit in that couple of 2 extra minutes, and of course if this cooled in the refrigerator it will be even thicker. At this point I'm putting in my lavender. Something about adding the essential oil of lavender to jams and jellies really makes it special. Just 2 drops. Then I'm adding back the berries. And there's our compote. Wow. For the pancakes, I'm using a little golden flaxseed meal. The base will be my Einkhorn flour, 1 BELCAMPO organic egg, pasture raised, grown on their farm, and 1 cup of raw milk, straight from the cow. I never heard of flaxseed meal when I was growing up, but I have since learned that flaxseed meal contains a great deal of omega-3s. 1 serving of 2 tablespoons offers 2,430 milligrams of omega-3s. It also provides 3 grams of fiber and protein. So this is a great addition to my recipe I've made since I was 22. I have my Einkhorn flour, and here you have your wet ingredients. 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and your flaxseed meal. I just dump it all in together. I don't worry about separating wet and dry. Wow, that looks great. Ooh, that's hot. Too hot. I added just a little milk to the remainder because I think adding the flaxseed meal made it a little bit thick. Actually, I can't eat 6, so I'm only eating 3. I'm going to eat 6. For your leftover compote, store in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. But I don't think it'll last that long. You can serve this over ice cream, yogurt, cereal, or just eat it plain. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Look in the description below for ways to support this channel if you love what I do, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this cooking video, why not try these?